Europe, a continent that is a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and breathtaking beauty, is home to some of the most stunning cities in the world. From the romantic streets of Paris to the historic grandeur of Rome, these cities captivate the hearts of those who venture within their borders. Today, we're embarking on a journey to reveal the top 10 most beautiful cities in Europe. We have Vienna, Austria. Known as the City of Music, Vienna is a symphony of imperial grandeur, echoing with the melodies of Mozart and Strauss. The city is a feast for the senses, from the decadent Sachertorte in its charming coffee houses to the stunning Schönbrunn Palace. We find ourselves in Stockholm, Sweden. This city of 14 islands is a mesmerizing blend of cobblestone streets and contemporary design. Stockholm is a testament to the Swedish philosophy of lagom, a perfect balance in everything. While there, ensure to speak English, as Swedes are known for their excellent English proficiency. Our eighth destination is the fairy tale city of Prague, Czech Republic. With its Gothic spires, Baroque buildings, and romantic Charles Bridge, Prague feels like stepping into a storybook. Czechs appreciate when you try their language, so learn a few phrases like Dobrý den for hello. Coming in at number 7 is the city that fuses East and West, Istanbul, Turkey. From the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia to the vibrant colors of the Grand Bazaar, Istanbul mesmerizes with its blend of cultures. The locals are welcoming, but remember to dress modestly when visiting religious sites. At number 6, we have Barcelona, Spain. This city is a mosaic of Gaudi's architectural wonders, from the whimsical Park Güell to the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia. When in Barcelona, a simple hola or gracias in Spanish will go a long way. Number 5 takes us to the floating city of Venice, Italy. With its labyrinth of canals, iconic gondolas, and stunning palazzos, Venice is a dreamlike escape. Italians appreciate when visitors try their language, so a friendly buongiorno is always a good start. In the 4th place, we find ourselves in the city of 100 spires, Prague, Czech Republic. This city's charm lies in its stunning architecture and the vibrant Vltava River. When in Prague, it's always polite to say děkuji, which means thank you in Czech. Our 3rd most beautiful city is the City of Love, Paris, France. From the Eiffel Tower's towering elegance to the Louvre's artistic treasures, Paris embodies romance. Remember, the French value politeness, so always start conversations with bonjour. In the 2nd spot, we have Rome, Italy. This eternal city is a living museum, where ancient ruins meet vibrant life. Whether it's the Colosseum's grandeur or the Sistine Chapel's awe-inspiring frescoes, Rome never fails to impress. Italians appreciate it when you try their language, so why not start with a simple ciao? Finally, we reach our number 1 spot, the crown jewel of Europe, Santorini, Greece. With its iconic blue-domed churches, sun-kissed beaches, and breathtaking sunsets, Santorini is paradise personified. Each of these cities is a testament to the continent's rich history, diverse culture, and undeniable beauty. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these cities promise an unforgettable journey through the heart of Europe.